Hi everyone, welcome back to art. Today we're going to do a little bit of art history tied in with our elements of art. But first, what I want us to do is everyone stand up onto your feet, and we're going to go back over our 7 elements of art motions. Color, line, shape, form, value, texture, and then space, space, space. Remember, because it goes out, out, out like an echo. So that's space, space, space. Let's try it again. Color, line, shape, form, value, texture, and space, space, space. Good job, everybody. All right. So today we're going to apply our 7 elements. We're going to apply our 7 elements with different pieces of artwork. Now this is going to be interesting to see what you guys think. So we already applied our 7 elements of art with everyday objects. So I'm going to show you 4 pieces of artwork, and what I want you to do is in your sketchbook, the next blank page, remember not the back, not a random page, but the next blank page, I want you to on the top, you can write in your best Spalding and pretty big, art history. Can you see it? And then you can write number 1 next to that. And then after that, underneath it, ooh, that's the wrong letter. Underneath it, write elements of art. Just like that. And you can go ahead and draw a line underneath that if you want. Alright, so I'm going to show you 4 pieces of artwork. And for each one, I want you to label which one it is. So I'll show you the first one, and that'll be number 1. The second piece would be number 2. The third would be number 3. And the fourth would be number 4. Now listen carefully to the questions. So it should look like this. You don't have to have a lot of space in between your numbers this time. We're just going to write 1 or 2 words down for each one. So it should look like this. And for each question, for each number, you're going to answer which element of art you think is being used the most in that painting that I'm showing you, okay? So go ahead and get ready. And let's get started. So now I want us to try to see how other artists implement or use those 7 elements of art to create a good piece of artwork. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's look at our first picture. So this is a picture, or a painting, excuse me, by Cezanne. Now what element of art do we think we see here? So to answer that question, let me prompt you with a question. What makes it look like there are dimensions and you can hold the objects in your hands? What element of art, what of the 7 elements makes those pears and peaches make it look like you can actually hold them in your hands? Okay. Our second element of art. This is Starry Night by Van Gogh. You've all seen this one. So there's a lot of movement here, right? Now what element of art makes you think, hey, I feel like I can move around in that? What's going on in here? What is the artist doing to make you feel like you are moving? But this is a still life of various flowers. So why or what makes it look like it's going from dark to light? Key words right there, dark to light. And lastly, now it kind of looks like you can walk around in the painting, right? Does anyone know what element of art that's called when it looks like you can walk around in it? It looks like things are further back and things are closer to you. Alright, that's it for art history with Miss Prather today. We'll get a lot more into it later on, and we'll have a lot of really fun activities, especially in class, that we'll get to do. I can't wait to see you guys in person. I'm so excited. Just one more week. Keep thinking about the pieces of artwork that I showed you, and whenever you see some art, maybe look at it and think, what kind of element of art do I see in this? And what does it make me feel maybe? What emotions do you feel because of it? I can't wait to see your results. Bye guys.